Okay, if you're watching this video, chances are you just bought a new dental plan, and I just want to take a few minutes and show you how to use it. A lot of times folks buy something, they don't have any idea how to use it, and it gets kind of frustrating, and we certainly want to make sure we get our money's worth out of our new dental plan. So it's actually a pretty good deal, and I'll show you exactly how to kind of maximize it. But it's through Manhattan Life. They are the parent company, and the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to get a letter in the mail with your ID card. And it looks just like this, and this is mine. And my ID cards are down the bottom. They look like paper, but they're actually kind of plasticky, so they're pretty durable. And it's going to show you your basics, your effective date, your premium. And I signed up here for the $1,000 maximum benefit just because I currently have dental coverage through my wife's employer, so I'm on a group plan. I think it's with Cigna. And the beauty of this is this will pay in addition to what Cigna is going to pay at the dentist for me. So chances are when I go to the dentist, it's going to be profitable for me. So that's kind of an interesting thing too. Now you can see here it says you may go to any provider for dental, vision, hearing services. Your provider may not accept this coverage, but that's okay because this is an indemnity type plan. So this is going to pay you. If you submit a claim, they're going to send a check to you. So depending upon your relationship with the dentist, your dentist might be willing to submit the claim and wait for the check to come, but really depends on that relationship. For the most part, what you're going to do at the dentist is you're going to get a detailed bill from the dentist and submit it to Manhattan Life, and they're going to send you a check. So I'll show you exactly how all that works. First thing you need to do is on the second page of the letter, it tells you how to set up an account. So you go to manhattanlife.com and you're going to register online to set up an account for all your claim information. So we go to manhattanlife.com, and then right up here on the top right, log in, register. So we want to click on the login and register. Then on the next page, who we are and all this stuff, we are contract and policy holders. So click on contract and policy holders, and then it's going to ask you to log in. And if you are here for the first time, you're going to go right here to I want to register. And it'll ask you for your basic information and probably your policy ID number that's on your letter. And you go ahead and register. And then I've already done that, obviously. So we'll take a look inside when we get there. And it's pretty easy stuff. So there's really not a lot to it. If you're in here and you want to set up an EFT so that they will automatically send your reimbursement to your checking account, you can do that. If you click on Family Insurance Company, it'll bring up your policy information. So you'll have that if you want to see it. And it shows what you have, and pretty simple and easy to understand. Shows your payment history, your claims history, your forms, so forth and so on. If you want to do an address change or bank authorization, if you need a temporary ID card, you're welcome to do that. If you actually want to see the policy, they don't mail you a physical policy. If you want to see it, you can download it right on your computer. And then when it's time to file a claim, let's see if it's in here. Nope. We go right up here to forms, and we'll go down the list to dental and vision. And then you can see here there's a claim form for dental expense. There's a claim form for vision expense. I haven't seen yet a claim form for hearing aids, so if you run into that, you might need to give them a call. But let's look at the claim form for dental expense. And pretty much like you've probably seen at a dentist's office before. So it would be nice of your dentist if they would fill it out. Some might not. It really depends, but you don't really need it terribly specifically filled out. What you need is a detailed bill from them showing your expenses, and not a credit card receipt, a detailed bill showing you got a cleaning, a filling, whatever it may be, in detailed fashion, and the cost, and not really relating to your other insurance either, just what procedures you had done and the cost to it. And then you just fill out your basic information, and hopefully you're reasonably good on the computer. Once you have your detailed bill and your claim form filled out, you're going to scan it and save it to your computer as a PDF. So once you've saved it to your computer, you're simply going to click over here on claims, and you're going to choose that file, and you're going to upload it. So that'll be the extent of uploading a claim form. So you will then be able to keep an eye on it in the claims section. We saw that somewhere. It's back in here. So down here, you'll see claims and all that stuff. So you can keep an eye on it, but it's pretty quick turnaround and it's pretty black and white. So it covers what it covers, and hopefully you're familiar with the benefits at this point. And, if not, you can look at the policy and that'll get you pretty clear there. So I hope you found this helpful, and it is pretty easy to do. You just need that detailed bill. You need to get a claim form. You need to scan it. You need to upload it, and should work like clockwork. So all good. Hope you have a great day.